we've arrived at Caribbean Beach. We are officially in Disney and our room location could not be more ideal. So Alistair's here because he's not said hi yet at all. He's still not saying hi, but he's physically here, so hey, welcome. So our room is directly opposite the Skyliner and we have stairs just there. There's only one other room between us and the stairs, so it's amazing. I'm gonna flip the camera now, give you a room tour. So we're staying in 4158. We are on the island of Jamaica at Caribbean Beach Resort. So it's pretty standard, moderate resort room. So we've got a mirror, hi, travel day outfit. We've got a table and 2 chairs, all the luggage. We've decided we would film the room tour before we make a mess. We've got a little coffee machine. I'm slightly disappointed because we've got Earl Grey and green tea. They haven't put any normal tea and it looks a bit weird. The one that we had when we last stayed at a resort, which would have been Coronado, and they had a coffee pod machine, but it had tea pods. So, but we're thinking of getting the cups. We still haven't got the Disney Hey Alexa thing that I think is just starting out, but we've got Disney World today, which we missed, so that's good. 2 big beds, and there's a little hanging rack and shelf there to be able to hang bits in. Drawers are over here, and then I think there's a fridge in here. There's a fridge, then we've got the little footstool kind of bench. A nice little Caribbean piece of artwork. You've got the sliding doors through to the sinks. So in the corner, that's the safe. You've got an ironing board, extra pillows and blankets. Then hangers, you've got the bins, 2 sinks, and we're still on with the H2O products, even though they said they were stopping that. So that's very exciting. We're all good about that. We've got tissues and extra toilet rolls and towels, and then into the bathroom. We've got a towel rack, you've got the toilet, and then you've got shower and bath. We forget about the noisy fan that turns on when you walk in, and then the big H2O bottles for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then you've got the full length. You've got the full length mirror there. Ta-da! So that is our room tour, and in walks Alistair as if on cue. He's happy because so we got on the non-magical express, which is the Mia shuttle now, and when we got on it he was like, oh, we're in room 4158, and I was like, what do you mean? And he'd already checked us in. So I was like, if we get all the way to the room and then can't get in, I'd be impressed, but we did. Yep. We got in. So that was amazing. And you've already got the dining voucher. Yes. That's already come through. But just a quick note on that, it's come through as 2 vouchers. So we think the max on a voucher is $1,000, because then we've got one for 8. Randomly. So we're probably gonna go and try and get the drinks cups using those dollars now, so that we can start them, get rid of the 8, so that we've just got the 1, and grab drink, food. Alice is also keen to know whether we can mobile order using these vouchers, so we will keep you posted on that. And then we've got various other bits and pieces, unpack, maybe shower, ready for the magic tomorrow. So we'll keep you posted as we keep going.